Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So friends, we have already learned one criteria, that is AAA criteria, AAA criterion. So today we will learn SSS criterion and one more criterion is there, that is SAS criterion. So here let us read the statement. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Let us try to understand. Here, see the corresponding sides first. See here, AB. So here AB corresponds to QR. Why? Because 2 times 2 gives you 4. Here BC corresponds to which side in this triangle? BC corresponds to PR because 2 times 2.5 gives you 5. Here AC corresponds to PQ because 2 times 3 gives you 6. So here we identified the corresponding sides. Now let us see what is the ratio of their corresponding sides. Here AB by QR. AB by QR is equal to 2 by 4. It means 1 by 2. Here one more ratio, BC by PR is equal to 2.5 by 5. It is also 1 by 2. And here AC by PQ, it means 3 by 6. It is also 1 by 2. Here AB by QR is equal to BC by PR is equal to AC by PQ. So here we have the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Here SSS doesn't mean that the corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. SSS means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. See here, ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So we can write by SSS criterion by SSS criterion triangle. First I will write this triangle in any order. I choose ABC. Then ABC will be similar to which triangle? Order is very very important here. So 2 to 2.5, it means 4 to 5. It means QRP. So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. I hope you have understood it very well. SSS criterion. Now let's move to the next slide. Here we have one more criterion, SAS criterion. Let us read the statement. So here, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. It means one angle is equal to one angle of the other triangle. It means this angle M is equal to here angle M is equal to angle Q. Both are 70 degrees. So, and sides including these angles. It means here sides including angle M is MN and ML. Here sides including angle Q are QR and QP. So here angle M in triangle C. Here in triangle C. Now we can write. Here we can write in any order, no problem. But at the end we have to maintain the order. So here also we can take in an order, no problems. Here we can write in triangle NML. Suppose I write NML, then we have to follow the same order in the other triangle. So here NML means here RQP. NML means PQR. PQR. NML means PQR. So angle M is equal to angle Q. Both are 70 degree. Okay. Now MN by PQ. MN by PQ is equal to, here MN by PQ is equal to ML by QR. ML by QR. Why? Because both are equal. Why? Mn by PQ means 2.5 by 5, which is 1 by 2, and ML by QR means 5 by 10, which is also 1 by 2. It means here one angle is equal and the sides including the angles are also equal. So therefore we can write therefore by SAS. It means corresponding one angle and the sides including the angle are proportional. Therefore by SAS criterion triangle NML is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so this is how we should write the procedure. So I hope you have understood it very well, but still you have some doubts, you can comment me in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.